Pero no encuentro ni un lead con email. No encuentro leads con email.
Ya.
No hay nada. O sea,
Pues seguro que hay, ¿eh?
At Codara
Just
Live
getting the-
says, "Hello, boys."
Hello, boys.
Works. Okay.
es que you filter missing none and like no email. No? So you cannot know.
A ver, si le das a Missing Phone, Missing Email,
Missing email, pues, it's gonna miss.
todos, ¿no?
Sí. It just picks up the phone numbers.
हंगामा हंगामा हो जाए हंगामा हंगामा हंगामा
Look, he went from ARR 91 to a day later, ARR skyrocketed to 128. Crazy!
Whoa! Maybe he launched a new version or something.
Yeah, I think so.
Bro, that is
That's
insane.
insane.
Insane, bro.
See.
One day.
He made 30-40K in one day. Wow.
Ah,
Wow.
Wow.
puta
Like
madre.
he doesn't even do a lot of marketing.
No.
Es que es
He just clipped his
organic, bro.
video and it's
Hey, but he
organic.
gets a bunch of views on
Does he have clippers? I don't think so.
X. Yeah, I think he does. He clips things because you can see him in shorts.
Yeah, but maybe he does it himself.
Yeah.
I don't think he has clippers that he pays.
No.
Probably there's an AI that does it.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But then he also is really good at like viewing like the new things that came out, like talking about it, and then he makes a clip about that.
Yeah. He knows what to clip for sure.
Jorge, maybe we can use this. Lo acaba de sacar OpenAI. It's un orchestrator, basically.
I love you, bro.
Sí. No, pero me va a enseñar el...
Ah, que es una demo, es un video.
Yes,
Hostia, está guapo, ¿no?
everything, single one is made.
Fucking Notion, bro.
Pero todos son agents. So it's agents running behind.
That's
¿Ves?
crazy.
Damn. Damn.
Symphony. That's it. They also released this real-time voice component, React browser voice controls for tools. I want to see exactly what it is.
That your users can interact with the application. This includes things like changing the settings. Great, can you select complex? That's good. Ensure that I accept the terms. Great, can you submit that form?
Whoa.
Now let's try even more complex example. Let's go to the chess demo. Then let's do pawn to b3. Now I want you to move the black.
GitHub Copilot is moving to usage-based billing.
A partir del 30 de mayo.
Crazy. Time to switch to Codex.
No, I have to, yeah.
¿Qué vas a hacer?
Pues nada, acabarme los tokens del mes que viene hasta el día 15 y cancelar mi suscripción. Es muy caro.
¿Qué cosa?
O sea, ya no renta. Antes, esto ha estado de puta madre since
Copilot.
since
Yeah.
December. It was the best one. Like much better than cloud subscription, but not until the last month that they started cutting models. Because now, for example, the Opus 4.6, they just removed it only for businesses, and that one was the best one because it was like you have like a number of tokens per month, and this one was X3, and it was honestly the same amount of tokens you would use in a normal Sonnet session. You would use it with Opus, but now it's times 7.5 until tomorrow. But I don't know how will it change, and then we'll see. But
Crazy.
Este es el final, ¿no?
sí,
¿Y esos dos?
eso es porque como creamos nuevo cuenta de Codara, eso métete en deployments, no lo puedes hacer. Esta es la cuenta de Codara, métete,
¿Aquí?
bórralos, sí. Dale a settings, environments, hasta el final, ahí. Y ahí quita los que no son... sí, esos quítalos.
Y...
Está guardada, creo, vale.
Pero, ¿y si quiero hacer unos cambios al CRM?
Ahora van a salir. O sea, como el CRM.
poquito
Vale, estos son todos del CRM, es verdad. Estaba buscando de la
Sí,
web.
sí, sí, CRM,
Ok.
pero y si quiero hacer cambios
Ujú.
al CRM, que hay varias cosas que no funcionan.
Okay.
Am I gonna just push it to production?
No, you have to, yes, because CRM at the end is for us.
Okay,
But you have
entonces,
to install the MCP from Railway, which is 10 times better than any other thing.
oh,
Like, install the MCP in your normal cloud, and then you have to log in, and you tell him to deploy the new version and push it to the GitHub.
okay.
And that way you don't have to worry about anything.
¿Qué me dices de hacer? Install Railway CLI. ¿Sí?
Sí, instálalo.
¿Tú qué vas a hacer?
Estoy haciendo.
Estamos mirando ir a Vietnam.
Después de. Estaba viendo ir a Tokio.
Tokio.
Pero es rain season.
Tokio, está muy arriba.
Pues,
¿Y si son bases en todos lados?
ya. pero y si no China.
So like what?
Nosotros
Everyone
vamos
is
a ir
going
a
on their own.
Hong Kong y un día en China.
So why is everyone going their own way?
No,
No,
that's
vamos
after the
juntos.
trip.
Y luego después, porque si no es muy corto.
Luego después cada quien. Why? Why are you
O sea,
all going different
I
places?
don't know, Pilar wants to go back so early.
So
And
like,
then-
where are
She's
you
going
going?
like 7 days.
So
bro.
where are you going?
I'm going to Hong Kong.
Alone
No, I'm going with Kukala.
with Kukala and you?
I'm not sure.
Pero que
Pero
esto.
con George, Vlad y Nia.
Why don't you
Sí,
all
voy a
go
ver.
to Hong Kong with fucking
Sí,
Kukala?
pero o sea,
Hong
we
Kong
wanna go
vamos
China,
al
pero
final.
pero van a primero a Singapur.
No,
Allá no van a Singapur.
no, vamos a Hong Kong a ver
Pero
los amigos
Kukala
de
vas.
Kukala.
Ah, Hong Kong.
Sí.
Ya.
Pero vamos, que yo no lo sé muy bien. Pero hay unos días muertos entre medias
Ajá.
que Alfonso y Martín
Ajá.
creo que van a volar
Ok. A Hong Kong. ¿Dónde van a
a
estar?
Bangkok.
A Bangkok.
Sí. Creo que llegan el día. No sé. No sé, bro. Pero vamos. A mí me renta hacerlo cuanto más juntos mejor. Obviamente el plan del hotel es un poco gay. Pero.
Mm.
तू ही मेरा नशा तू ही हर पल जिया तू ही दिल का सहारा तू ही मेरा नशा तू ही हर पल जिया तू ही दिल का सहारा साथ चलना रात भर ना रोके कौन हम भी जाना साथ चलना रात भर ना रोके कौन हम भी जाना चले 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 उड़े उड़े चले 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 उड़े उड़े चले 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 उड़े उड़े चले 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 उड़े
तू ही मेरा नशा तू ही हर पल जिया तू ही दिल का सहारा तू ही मेरा नशा तू ही हर पल जिया तू ही दिल का सहारा साथ चलना रात भर ना रोके कौन हम भी जाना साथ चलना रात भर ना रोके कौन हम भी जाना चले 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 उड़े उड़े चले 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 उड़े उड़े
चांद से ज्यादा तू चांद से ज्यादा तू बस तू बस तू
Twitch. Swaying Modification G says, best viewers, newrushnow.ru.
hell no.
No entendí.
Selling viewers.
Bro, why are we always sharing my screen?
Should I share mine? Give me a second.
Yeah, bro. I do boring stuff.
Yeah, me too. Estás haciendo el agent para mandar mails
Sí.
y lo vas a
Pero lo voy a
conectar.
integrar en el CRM.
Ya.
Para que le des un botón
Y se manda el mail. O sea, pero que te enseñe el mail y decides si se manda o no.
Obvio, obvio.
Ya. Nice. Vamos a tener un mes, o sea, mayo, where Agostino's not here, ¿no? And it's only gonna be you and me. We can call, we can...
Bro, lo que me molaría más es like go to the businesses and see.
What day is your oral?
28,
Yeah,
no 26.
I have it on the 11th.
But I have my.
¿Qué necesitas? ¿Una semana para preparar?
Hmm.
O sea,
A ver, yo creo que lo iré haciendo paralelo, no voy a estar.
ya. No, yo no puedo.
I don't
Weekend,
mind doing
¿Cómo
like.
vas a hacer tú?
Después de mi examen el lunes me voy a poner a prepararlo.
No.
¿Tú qué día te vas?
Yo voy el 6.
Ya.
Pues sí.
Del 6 al 20, chavales. O sea, like, I'm still be able to work.
We will have
So,
to find
let's
a
see
way
how
to
to organize
have you
that
here.
shit.
To make
Yeah.
Agostino appear?
Yeah. Just maybe he can share something.
Yeah, Discord.
Ya.
¿Me das una uva? ¿Queda uva? ¿Puedo una uva?
Joder, bro.
Gracias.
¿Haberlo dicho antes?
No, una.
Fíjate eso también. No, pero yo la he comprado con la idea de. No es tanto, está bien. Me iba a traer. I was gonna bring like a big box of strawberries. Because he was like 170.
Per
I went
kilo.
to the yeah, and I went to the cashier, and he said like 7 whatever, and I said hell no.
Bro, but the scraper does not record emails. That's a problem, Etienne.
Okay?
The scraper does not record emails.
Because some don't have emails.
No, there's not at all.
Sí, pero
Ah.
claro, porque en Google Maps there's no emails. There's no emails.
But we should have thought that up before.
No, but we said it. There's some phone numbers, but we can make one that searches the email. A lot of them won't have emails. O sea,
We need to make one that
open
searches
Google
emails.
Maps. Like, there was nothing to be thought about. You open Google Maps, where do you see an email?
No, yeah, but maybe we can use like hunter.io to get those.
Yeah.
Because we need something else.
We need emails.
Let's see if we get negative karma out of this.
Will be removed by Reddit filters. Simply.
Ah!
Tienes que poner un...
Bro,
Why was
I'm
it
not-
removed?
I'm not an asshole.
Restack, add AI, no, eso es true, no. Go back. Maybe you can have a link. We'll have links.
Pero ¿por qué no lo removieron? No.
Pregúntale a chat.
Ya, yo lo he dicho.
No, pero no puedes save, o sea, ya está borrado por... Pero sube una foto del YouTube. Si la gente puede ver cómo nos llevamos en YouTube. ¿Qué tengo? Wow, ¿por qué?
¿El qué?
Building an AI CRM automation and hitting a wall.
Claro, porque no funciona ahora.
Yeah. Diría como come show love to fellow Vibecoders. CRM automation, comma, come show love to fellow Vibecoders.
Está todos los links en el profile.
Ah, en el profile.
Ah,
Dile que search online why this is happening.
a lo mejor tarda un poco. ¿Eh?
I got the fattest in Queens, and we really getting money. What's up? Robando corazón y todo el dinero. Me gustan los bandoleros. Blow in the bank, tíralo pa' cielo. Lo quiero entero. Papi, te quiero, que es tu problema. Yo tengo sueño
¿Visteis lo de Pitchless?
¿Eh?
Que os mandé de Elie.
Ujú. Van a ir al IEL, el de Pitchless.
There's a hackathon on
When is it?
5th and 6th of May. Honestly, we can win that.
Yeah. I mean, there's very talented people and
There isn't.
there is.
¿Sí?
Sí,
Pues podemos ir.
sí.
Al live stream ahí. It's like, I mean, I feel like that would be attractive.
Sí, good.
Because you would see all the people around.
O sea que nos llevamos.
Esto y el Mac para hacer stream.
Ya. Sí,
O
good.
cualquier otro para hacer stream. Y nos ponemos en la mesa y ya está. Pero I didn't see. That would be a way to start building. No?
Sí.
And it's been some time without winning something. Y si va el tío este, pues lo tenemos. Porque está de juez, creo.
Ya. Pero como, o sea, hay 2 días para build.
Es que no lo he leído bien, voy a ver. I Venture Mind Hackathon. Turn predictive AI and real data into game-changing innovation. Fun speakers from Nova and Swapcard. Pitchless Science and Technology and Entrepreneurship and Innovation Center. $1.5K for the first, $1K for the second, and $500 for the third.
Damn.
Pero creo que es individual, ¿eh?
Ah, ¿es individual?
Sí,
¿Cómo sabes?
porque me suena que lo vi en algún lado.
No creo. A ver, ver los conceptos. Espera, ver Inform. A ver si se puede. Espera, ahí. Say about the use of AI. The study will be completed.
O sea, esto es para...
Yeah.
como por el data, entiendo.
Your personal data. Ajá.
O sea, es para un research.
Sí, baja. Ah, copyright, a ver. Ya.
Siete copas, una juca tequila. Sal y sal y sal y sal y perrear. No tienes vergüenza, mami. Baby, quiero ser el río de tu Tokio. Chingamos en la casa de papel sin negocio. Esta vida nunca se acaba la fiesta. Comiéndote todo el día que se joda esta dieta. I tell her sucker, 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 yeah. I tell her sucker, I make this motherfucker. I got the fattest ass in Queens, bitch. And we really getting money. V. What's up? Robando corazón y todo el dinero. Me gustan los bandoleros. Blow in the bank, tíralo pa' cielo. Lo quiero entero.
There's so many questions. ¿Qué dice?
No sé. Es de 6 a 9 de la noche. O sea,
¿Y el examen qué día es?
el lunes.
El 1, el 4.
Lunes 4, ¿no?
Sí.
5 y 6.
No sé si yo tendré tiempo.
People emailing the teacher to reduce the number of slides.
What? ¿Qué
Es
pasó?
que hay 800, bro.
¿Slides? ¿Para el examen de lunes? ¿Y qué dijo el teacher?
Nada, manda un announcement con estos que llevan las cosas. Yo creo que va a ser muy general.
Para encontrar los emails. Ni lo puedo testear para ver si los encuentro.
¿Qué?
Pero hay bastante más, ¿eh?
Hunter ayudó,
Hunter
pero
ayudó.
y no encuentro nada.
¿No?
Los españoles no.
Es que al ser businesses so tiny ones, don't think there's a way.
The monthly 65. So even if I pay this shit to test it, I'm not sure it's going to fast.
What I see is that maybe those that don't have a website, it's very, very strange that they have an email.
Yeah, those that don't have a website. The thing is, in the database there are no emails at all.
Yeah,
And here, to find the email, you need the website. So, you know,
like what I see is that maybe if we start calling, they say, okay, yeah, we have an email, send us your information here. And maybe the fucking email is
Yeah,
super
but-
unrelated, you know?
yes, sure, but like, what's the point of having a big data set? You have to go one by one. At that point, you could just use the other data set that already had emails. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
It's just so labor intensive if we go one by one.
Yep.
Like the idea is that we automate emails with templates and demos, and in the meantime we talk. Like at least
That
you
is
know, you
true,
call
but
10 and 100 emails
Yeah.
have been sent in the meantime.
True.
You know what I mean? So I mean, I can keep researching a bit, but the most famous websites can't do it. You would have to do like a manual scraper that presses a website and just to check the emails. That's the only one.
ah,
So that's fucked. No? Pero al mismo tiempo, if you just use the other data set.
ese tenía emails.
Sí.
Seguro.
Bro,
Pues podemos sacar de eso.
Had social, had the social links, bro. So
Yeah.
those have
And where's that data set? Because I don't remember.
they were stolen.
No, but it's on one of the commits. You can ask.
What was it? It was research, right?
Open one cloud and ask, where's the commit with the data sets that contained emails? So you can go to previous comments. I can do it if you want.
But, here, interns.
¿Estás seguro que no hay ningún email?
I mean, I checked manually and I don't see them. And Cloud also says it checked for all of, like, went through a lot and couldn't find them. Are they, research. What the fuck is it?
There's emails, but of the people that reviewed, I think.
Test targets. Sí, hay emails. Y aquí tenía un test y este tiene, este tiene, este tiene, este tiene, este tiene.
¿De dónde?
Del primer dataset que hicimos using OpenStreet. Aquí tenía como 10 allocations.
Ya, pero no hay una manera fácil de hacer un... O sea, muchos no van a tener, pero...
Maybe what we can do is after, like, implement that Python script that extracted the emails to the ones we already have. Yes.
Oh, like it looks at this and puts them in there. and
Pero a
wins
ver,
the match.
Not really, because the way of looking into those businesses, well, I can, like, we can look into that code and see how it did it, and then add that to the research as an independent variable creation, like something that goes after the first.
Yeah, so like we have this,
Mhm.
like the big, not this,
Sí,
the
sí.
lead the Madrid scored, and it goes on the other one,
Kind of. But-
and it creates the column.
Yeah,
and
but
has
that
the
way-
email, no?
That way you have like two bubbles, okay? This tiny one and then the big one. If you take the way this tiny one was done, probably you can access the names of this one and then parse that email scrapper or whatever to the big one. Because the best scenario would be that you have this information into here. So you have this tiny bubble. But if you see how it extracted the emails, then you can apply it to the whole thing.
muchos no tienen email,
Instead of mixing by ID, which would be an inner, and then taking the email.
Okay, but like this one collected it just by like looking at the Google Maps. So
This one or this one?
like this one, okay?
Yeah, pues probably we can apply that code into the big data set.
Pero look,
¿Sabes?
a lot of them don't have, like, it's either you send them a message through Instagram or you call them.
Sí, pero can you look for, in that one, can you look for Humos? Did you have an email there? It's the second one.
Humos Gastrobar.
Yes, the first one. What?
It doesn't have an email there.
No, I'm telling you, a lot of them don't.
Okay, a lot of them don't on Google, but like
No, not on Google, pero, o sea, which...
Okay, out of 30,000, bro, at least a couple thousand will have emails. Like, disregarding that is
Yes.
so stupid. You know?
Okay, pero maybe out of 30,000, 20,000 have an Instagram.
Okay, but we still don't record also the Instagram either way.
Yeah, we do. You have Instagrams or socials are the ones that do. We should have humos.cast. No, pero aquí es que they don't have it here connected. It doesn't extract it. O sea, we need an agent that goes one by one, searches online for contact method apart from phone number. O sea, phone number and something else. Instagram.
What I see is a super tiny agent in terms of volume of data that we integrate in the CRM. So you can click a button in the CRM when you have the business open and looks for information. Because we don't want to extract 50,000. We only want to extract the ones that we consider an A or an A+. And then this one adds the information to the window where you had the email, Instagram, whatever. I think that's more efficient and cheaper.
No.
So the thing we can't run right now an agent that's just sending emails blindly. Porque uno...
What do you mean? Yes, we make a template for categories, we make different demos, and it sends the email. So all of our A+ things, whatever, it sends emails. And that out of 1,000, eventually some will reply, and in the meantime we also call.
Sí, pero we might send emails to some that we don't even know, and their email is, they don't even check it, and
yeah, but
they're marked as...
It's part of it. It's like when you call and they don't answer the phone.
Sí, pero then you mark it as phone not answered, entonces you can try again later, and if they don't answer again, then you...
Yeah, bro, but like, why do you care, like, recording if an email is been...
No sé, I think for now it's smarter to us get a bit of knowledge of calling and understanding what they want, what they're saying, what we have to say to sell, if anything. Porque we might send 1,000 emails, but we're putting AI and no one wants to hear about AI.
Bro, but like conceptually.
And we won't have a clue.
Conceptually, like, what do you think it's more probable for someone to agree if you call them, you tell them who you are, and not even a receptionist answers you, you tell them who you are, what you do, and, and just as you mentioned AI, or sending email with like a demo, personalized demo of like, here, you like it or not? It's free.
Yeah, but you know, email, how much spam do you have in your email? Our emails are gonna get flagged as spam 80% of the time.
Bro, but like, we
you
try.
Won't even,
like,
but you won't
we will, like, you know, cold calling, bro, it's not something like, it's something that...
But like, we have more control over cold calling than having an agent to email 1,000 blind emails.
I think tomorrow we should start calling and see what's happening. And
from there, then I agree to start doing the email thing.
Exactly. Pero we have to...
Okay, if you want to start scraping the emails, I'm completely like...
But what I mean is, regardless of phone call working or not working, we're still gonna end up also sending emails.
Yes, I mean? But with more knowledge than we have currently. So yeah, if you want to start working, but I wouldn't start sending emails yet.
Why? I don't get what?
Because we haven't called anyone.
Phone call that would change the process of sending emails. You know what I mean?
A guy saying, "Yeah, I'm interested in how much it costs," and like that little information of how much it costs, we haven't considered. What would we say? I don't know.
okay, but I don't know, like exactly for that reason, emails could work better. It's like you're not like if someone asks you a question that like you don't know what to
No,
say.
yeah, but
the
what
call,
I'm saying,
the call is.
Pero many
what I'm
of the
saying is that
businesses
people
we're
are not going to
call-
reply to you an email saying, "Oh yeah, but how much it costs?" Like you will not have that information. You won't see if the MLS is effective or not, or is it missing something. Like the first calling way, it's gonna give you like what do they want, what are they whatever expecting.
Not only that, but I think a lot of the businesses we're gonna contact don't work with email. Like they don't even have it. They have their personal, not a company email, because it's not a company. It's a little business that they might have a website. You don't know, the business owner might have an email link, but it's not an email he checks. He checks his own. I think, also mainly that reason, the businesses we're gonna call don't use email as their primary. First of all, the one we called was like, you have a website? No, you can only do it by phone or coming here.
We can do it, but I just think we're slowing it down anyways, you know? So like you're gonna spend a week calling, and then you're gonna hook up emails.
No,
like,
but
we can
that's
do
why
both at
we're.
the same time, you know what I mean?
That's what I think we're doing. Like I'm
entonces,
building the.
Pero first of all, script the emails. O sea, do an agent that scripts the emails. Try to get as much information of the businesses as we can. An agent that does that doesn't email them yet, but that's a different agent with a different memory. We need an agent that uses some MCP. There's, I think, I don't know, use Google MCP.
Vale, pues you can go into that.
Pero email, Instagram, maybe websites if we don't have it.
Like
a little agent that all it does is searches the name on Google, opens the first 3 links, reads the information, did it extract an email, no sé qué, that's it.
Sí.
Like why did we
doesn't even have to be an agent
to like having this massive data set, well the previous one like contained already everything, you know what I mean? It was less sources, true, but like do we need those?
No, maybe not, but we did it already.
No, but now what we can do, that is done. What we can do is implement that, like getting the way we were extracting those emails, Instagrams and shit, and implement it to this one. And maybe we get the records, or maybe we just get the 10,000 ones that we had, but we don't know yet. No? Follow this.
No, definitely.
Don't run the agent on the 30,000 no sé qué. We have, run it on the A plus only. O sea, because those are the ones we want to start targeting. And first of all, o sea, accept or reject our hypothesis. Is A plus actually A plus? Entonces maybe do 500 from A plus, 500 from A, 500 from A minus, y then
because maybe those A plus are A plus because we don't have information about them. Maybe they do have an email, maybe they do have a web page, but since we don't know it, I think that the A plus classification is going to change. The more information we have.
And plus, the more knowledge we get, like, which we cannot give right now, such as, hey, these people are more inclined to spending money, so put these in A+. For example, the consultorias, the doctores, I don't know. Like, or small restaurants, they don't care at all about growing. They just have their family-owned restaurants, remove them entirely from the data set.
This shit is not building.
¿Vas a ser el agent que scrapea?
Sí, voy a ver maneras para scrapear.
O sea, yo diría simplemente sacar con el código que ya teníamos, implementarlo a los 50,000. Y a ver si se
Pero el código que tenían que hacer.
¿De los 50 o de 10?
What does the thing
It was taking information from OpenStreetMap and putting it into a dataset.
Sí, pero no. The thing StreetMap is outdated, very outdated. Half of the things that appeared in StreetMap, first of all, were closed.
That's what I'm saying. That now that we have this big data set,
but you grab an MCP, you run one by one, and you just open the first 3 links, give the context to a small ass agent, and tell it, is there email, Instagram, is there anything?
That's another way. But if we already have that information, we don't have to create an agent. for
Pero
that.
you don't know if it's updated or not. Porque you're taking it from open.
If it's here, and
What
it's
is
here,
that? What is that?
this is the data set you have.
Like if it's on
And
both
this is the
data
one we
sets,
had with more information.
Uh-huh.
If you cross it by name, you will see if out of this 50,000 you complete 10,000 because it was here. And
What is that for? O sea, no entiendo.
pues ya tienes la
like you
información.
take the open street with
Yeah.
the fucking emails, you search on this data set, the name, the website, you search on the other data set. If it appears, you take the email
See,
and,
and
you put it here.
what if both are outdated?
So then this one is not true. Like it's not right.
It might have some that are not. It might have some that are.
Claro.
Por eso.
That's
And
what-
by just making a little scraper that does. O sea, de verdad es so easy to open a Google, open the 3 first pages.
Claro.
O sea,
You would
it can
open,
be
like-
headless. You don't need to open even Google. It's just a Chromium MCP. I don't even know, but there's a bunch of them.
Yo diría que te pusieses a probar.
O sea, yo,
a ver qué
yo me
va
olvidaría.
saliendo.
I would forget the old database. We have the new one. It's as updated as Google possibly can get. Google Maps. So you might have missed a lot of like Instagram that are not connected to the actual place, but do exist if you search the first thing. So by doing the agent, first of all, you're gonna find way more than by just crossing them.
So you
Claro.
would have an agent like look into
O
like,
sea, porque
the
tu
Google
database de afuera only has, for example, the Instagram of something if the place previously connected the Instagram here. If it's not connected, the Instagram might exist, but it's not connected to the place.
Claro,
It's
pues
two
then,
different
then,
things.
then what we have to create is agent code, whatever you have to do.
Take
in
take
the first
500
place.
first A plus 500, and it just runs through them.
Claro.
It's
Pero
gonna
it takes like
a second per
steps,
thing,
¿no?
500 seconds times 3. O sea,
Sí.
it won't take long.
So like, but what would the search like from the database, like an MCP that like searches?
You grab the data that is divided. You have the name, and you have, I don't know, with just the name it should be fine. Maybe there's some more information that we can cross-reference to make sure we're
Claro.
searching the correct one. Pero, ¿qué es esto?
All DB. Like if the information is there.
No, forget
Pero tres
ODB,
pasos,
forget it.
bro. ¿Qué más da? Si esto es OpenStreetMap, puede que esté bien. Si no está bien, pasa al siguiente. Si no, pasa al
Pero
siguiente.
you don't know if it's good. You might get a
Pues
result, but it might be
sacas los
bad.
3 de todos.
Yeah, but you're just making a step. This is just gonna give you. Okay,
Pero
you
esto
can
está
keep
hecho.
it if you
Esto
want.
tardas
Bueno,
0 segundos.
sí, pero se me hace redundant. O sea,
Es que claro, para ver si hay matching information, tienes que hacer redundancy.
no, buscas este ya.
¿Este qué es?
Esto es Chromium. O sea, buscar los
Vale.
links en internet.
Me parece bien. Pero digo que no nos vayamos a dejar cosas.
Pero no te vas a dejar nada buscándolo aquí, porque si está aquí, it's gonna overwrite this. So this step was complete. So you're just running this for nothing.
Vale, para saber si ese funciona o no.
Y si está aquí y no aquí, uno lo dudo, y dos, it might mean it does. O sea, maybe there is. Do it.
Claro,
and then
es
we
que
can
si,
check.
si está aquí y aquí no, porque ha cerrado, ya sabemos que este ha cerrado. Y nos lo
Pero
quitamos.
si no está aquí, si aquí no significa que haya cerrado.
¿Cómo?
No significa que haya cerrado.
O que no
Tal
hay
vez
nada.
buscamos mal.
Puede ser. Bueno, pero eso son hipótesis que no sabemos.
bueno,
justo.
anyways,
Este qué cosa,
like
¿no?
first thing I would try to find it. So,
¿Cuál?
o sea, like use an NCP to find the emails and shit.
Sí.
Bueno, tú ponte y si no, ya te ayudamos. Si yo estoy ya casi acabado. Estoy
sea,
probando lo de
eh,
emails.
Ahorita te doy el nombre de uno.
Va.
Algo así. Es como Light Panda, sí. Reduces rendering load.
¿Cómo se llama?
Light Panda. Tiene un GitHub, o sea, es. Según yo es free. Light Panda browser.
like on the browser.
It uses barely any memory. O sea, do a test. Haría esto yo, para empezar. O sea, crea un nuevo folder. Metes la data, creas un Claude, le dices, I want to use Light Panda to, o sea, make a test, grab the name of the first restaurant in our database,
Sí.
name A plus restaurant, of the first 10 A plus restaurants, run Light Panda, make it scrape the first 5 websites that appear when you do a Google search of the place, and connect it to a little open router where I can put a model. Y usas GPT-5 mini, algo así, o sea, uno bien cheap. All it has to do is scrape and return in a ¿cómo se llama? Formatted output. Que tiene un, o sea, you just enable it when you do the API call. Y pones tu format y te lo da y hasta se puede correr en parallel. Puedes correr 5 a la vez.
Vale.
Pero first create the test, and once you know it works, you can scale it.
Yeah.
Pero make un test así you don't have to worry about anything. Usas Haiku, una cosa así, mini latest.
Bro, Stefano is not gonna be doing the exam.
No, I know. Vamos a the supervisor.
Pa!
¿Lo lograste, Agostino?
Sí, testeó y
¿Encontró?
30%. Yeah, was like Panda.
30% of 10?
O sea, out of the ones I tested, 30%.
Ah, pero ¿cuál hiciste? ¿Check en Google o con Light Panda o con el otro?
Con Light Panda.
Ah,
O
está
sea, le
bien.
dije que busque y mira,
¿Cuántos buscó en total? 20.
26 out of 20.
Ok.
Pero hay otro que se llama Flipper.dev with 2,500 queries.
That's
Igual-
enough to start with.
Igual es bastante,
Es muchísimo.
es mucho.
O sea, hacemos
Entonces,
500 en 5 lugares.
Sí.
A plus
voy a
A.
tratar eso, pero it says you don't, o sea, having a model like an LLM does not make sense. Puede ser.
It might not.
Like, o sea, para qué, o sea, why would you want that?
No, you don't. O sea, it doesn't have. It can all be Python.
Yeah.
There's no need to be a LLM involved.
Sí.
O sea, pero la cosa es, dile como manually check to see if the Python didn't miss anything. Porque qué tal si está escrito de una manera que el Python no está buscando.
No.
Es la cosa de Python versus LLMs
Claro.
when scraping. Or the
Rule
Python
play.
might miss something, pero tal vez ponen como, no sé, pero un LLM puede encontrar, o sea, entiende el contexto.
Yeah.
O si hay 2 mails y Python solo saca uno.
¿Que te llegó el mail o qué?
No.
Ah.
Estoy metiéndome para sacar. ¿Dónde estará la puta?
¿Quién está escuchando algo?
¿Qué es esto, bro? ¿Quién es? Es el Discord, ¿no?
No.
Yo,
El vecino, bro, se conectó con los mics.
de hartos.
¿Qué es?
No sé, brother. Some weird accent too, bro.
What the
I
fuck is
can't
that?
solve it.
What the fuck is that? ¿Ahí lo escuchan?
Sí.
Se escucha, no soy yo.
Yo,
Hey!
whoa, what is that? What is that?
People entering our
Ah,
sound
Yo, what is that? Kick those people out, bro.
we don't have a disconnect.
Yeah.
Create a new one. Put a password 1 2 3.
Ah!
I put a password 1 2 3. Wait. Stream 1 se llama. Password 1 2 3.
Ahora ya se jodió todo.
No, solo
Yo me escucho.
disable sending.
¿Ya?
Ahí. Tú también, Agustino, disable sending a mí. No, ahí no. Ayúdale, Jorge. Sí, ahí, right click.
¿Qué?
Sí. Disable sending. Ahí.
Pero a mí también, ¿eh?
Así, porque si no escuchas.
Ah, ya está.
Igual no escucho
¡Se
nada.
colaron!
Yo dije, ¿qué es eso?
¿Pon música?
¡Ah!
Se los metieron.
Se nos colaron, ¿eh?
¡Qué perra!
¿Qué estaba diciendo el güey aparte?
I think they were gaming or some shit.
Sí. Should we look for the streaming?
Ah, they might be streaming. Tal vez they just joined stream porque se llama stream.
Yeah.
Pero esto qué coño es, bro?
¿Qué?
El Venture Mind AI Hackathon. First day,
Registration
hackathon begins. Registration arrival, welcome drinks, beer and wine. The fuck?
Pitch the 17th. Ah, so you have 1 day to build it. You have May 5th.
Yeah, but it's at 9. So you have like 3 hours.
¿Tú no quieres ver el Atlético?
Es ahora, ¿no?
Es a las 9,
Lo
¿Contra quién?
ponemos.
¿ah?
Lo ponemos, ¿no?
On stream.
Ah. Switch it.
O sea, si quieres,
Codara Sport.
I could technically put it.
Yo también,
Sí, ponlo ahí
Okay,
porque
should we
eso
put it
es.
there?
Ah, sí, pero no está tu stream, está el mío.
Saber.
¿Dónde lo ves? Ah,
Movistar.
tienes Movistar.
He robado.
Sí. Bueno, me quito los audífonos porque. Pero luego,
Que Jorge mande el volumen de eso. Se escucha aquí. Y yo paro la música.
Bueno, quito mi Sonobus, ¿no?
No,
No,
lo
deja tu
comparto.
sonobus y escuchas por aquí el partido.
Ya, es que. No queda en batería.
Ah.
So,
Pero eso es mi micrófono, ¿no?
Sí, no, mándame a mí también. No, pero tu micrófono desactívalo, pon on. Eso, input, aquí, solo... No, no pongas eso porque se va...
Sí no oyes nada, ¿no?
No, pero se
No,
jode,
sí,
solo
claro,
input
pero-
override, ahí. What?
Tienen papel.
¿Ah?
¿Por qué traen papel?
No sé. Van a avanzar, van a hacer pipí. ¿En qué estadio están?
Aquí.
Aquí. No pongas los AirPods porque se escucha peor para ti.
¿Tú oyes algo?
No.
¿Y qué hago?
¿Estás mandando?
Sí.
Espera, input tiene que ser... Ah, no. Input. No, input sí lo tienes que poner. ¿Dónde estás escuchando?
Aquí.
Ponlo. Ah, es que...
Bueno, lo pongo en alto y ya está.
Sí. Sí, cierro la aplicación. ¿Qué, pero paro el stream?
Sí.
¿El stream ya?
El stream ya. Vemos el partido ya.
A ver, sí, no se oye, ¿no?
Ya, sí, bueno, para
Sí se escucha.
¿Cuánto?
A ver. No hablen. No se escucha.
Lo único que me falta es el security options este.
Porque estoy al parlante.
No tengo. Hoy.
No,
O sea,
sé,
¿cuál?
Bluetooth.
Sí,
pero ¿por qué no lo pones en ese?
porque no tengo USB.
Bueno,
Ah.
yo. Ah, no. Pues puedes poner Bluetooth, ¿no?
Sí, sí.
Todo en parlante.
¿Pero por qué no tienes USB?
Porque hoy no trajo.
Ah.
Mira. Eso era.
Ahí, conéctala.
Qué guapo, ¿eh? ¿Qué tengo que hacer aquí?
Tienes que buscar un dispositivo.
Pero ponlo atrás de nosotros, ¿no?
Sí, sí, sí. Se llama Killburn.
Ya está.
Killburn. Eso sigue buscando.
Sí, sí, sí.
Pero mejor adelante, ¿no?
No, porque llega los micrófonos. Esto es para el stream.
Sí, o sea, ¿paras o no?